Dogecoin value equivalent to 3.233 rands a coin. The present cost range, 309.341. The earlier day close, 3.291. The change was 0.858, 267%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at 3,412 rands. Excessive cost 40,953, while low cost 3,412. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,964. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4.78. Change for September 16%. Dogecoin gauge for October 2024. In the first place, cost at 4.78 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.78, while low cost 340,332. They found the middle value of cost 380,351. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 369.16. Change for October 10.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 3.916 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.6091, while low cost 3.1637. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 318,452. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 389.64. Change for November 5%. Dogecoin conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 389.64 rands. Excessive cost 483.62, while low cost 389.64. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.872. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 4,198. Change for December 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 4,198 rands. Excessive cost 5.4018, while low cost 4,598. They found the middle value of cost 479.51. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 489.89. Change for January 8.4%. Dogecoin estimate for February 2025. To start with, cost at 489.89 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.29, while low cost 444.39. They found the middle value of cost 48,085. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 4,784. Change for February 2.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 470,784 rands. Exorbitant cost 470,784, while low cost 380,577. They found the middle value of cost 4.907. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 4.481. Change for spring 13.2%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2025. To start with, cost at 4.481 rands. Exorbitant cost 490,370, while low cost 4.481. They found the middle value of cost 440,618. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 460,140. Change for April 11.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 460,140 rands. Exorbitant cost 460,140, while low cost 378.72. They found the middle value of cost 4.719. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 407.23. Change for May 11.7%. Dogecoin estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at 407.23 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.3068, while low cost 368.24. They found the middle value of cost 390,878. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 395.96. Change for June 2.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2025. To start with, cost at 3,596 rands. Exorbitant cost 449.53, while low cost 3,971. They found the middle value of cost 4.408. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 4.12. Change for July 6.1%. Dogecoin estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 4.12 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.12, while low cost 316,246. They found the middle value of cost 390,811. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 389.74. Change for August 7.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 389.74 rands. Exorbitant cost 389.74, while low cost 3.523. The found the middle value of cost 360.361. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 349.71. Change for September 10.3%. Dogecoin estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 349.71 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.406, while low cost 349.71. The found the middle value of cost 380.479. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4.566. Change for October 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at 4.566 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.100, while low cost 380.330. The found the middle value of cost 4.1053. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4.2815. Change for November 16%. Dogecoin gauge for December 2025. To start with, cost at 4.215 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.4805, while low cost 380.943. The found the middle value of cost 4.709. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4.874. Change for December 16%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 4.874 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.1874, while low cost 4.1874. The found the middle value of cost 4.674. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 4.8574. Change for January 16%. Dogecoin figure for February 2026. Initially cost at 4.8574 rands. Excessive cost 5.58437, while low cost 4.8183. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.1001. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 5.810. Change for February 7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 5.810 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.810, while low cost 4.4744. The found the middle value of cost 4.9119. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 4.8112. Change for spring 7.1%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 4.8112 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.8863, while low cost 4.6815. The found the middle value of cost 4.19782. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 5.339. Change for April 4.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at 5.339 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.4724, while low cost 4.7564. The found the middle value of cost 5.943. Dogecoin cost